We want the derivative of y equals x plus 1 over x minus 2. The first thing to notice is the structure. One expression is divided by another, so this is a quotient rule problem. The top, or numerator, is x plus 1. The bottom, or denominator, is x minus 2. A common memory phrase is low d high minus high d low all over low squared. In symbols, that becomes dy over dx equals v times du over dx minus u times dv over dx all over v squared. Two details matter a lot here. First, there is always a subtraction in the numerator. Second, the entire denominator gets squared. Now define the pieces slowly. Let u equal x plus 1 and let v equal x minus 2. The derivative of u is 1 because the derivative of x is 1 and constants disappear. The derivative of v is also 1. Now substitute one piece at a time. Start with dy over dx equals v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. Replace v. dy over dx equals x minus 2 times u prime minus u times v prime over x minus 2 squared. Now replace u prime. X minus 2 times 1 minus u times v prime over x minus 2 squared. Finally replace u and v prime. dy over dx equals x minus 2 times 1 minus x plus 1 times 1 over x minus 2 squared. Multiplying by 1 changes nothing, so simplify the top. X minus 2 minus x plus 1. Now be careful. The minus sign affects everything inside the second parentheses. Distribute it correctly. X minus 2 minus x minus 1. The x terms cancel, and negative 2 minus 1 gives negative 3. So the final answer is dy over dx equals negative 3 over x minus 2 squared. Notice the denominator stayed squared the entire time.